Fast food vocabulary.
Slow and easy English for beginners.
Hello. Welcome to English practice. Today, we will learn fast food vocabulary. Please listen carefully. Repeat after me. This is a burger. A burger has bread and meat. I like burgers.
Burger.
This is pizza. Pizza has cheese. Pizza is tasty.
Pizza.
These are French fries. French fries are made from potatoes. I eat fries with ketchup.
French fries.
This is a hot dog. A hot dog is long. I eat a hot dog.
Hot dog.
This is a sandwich. This is a sandwich. A sandwich has bread and vegetables. I eat a sandwich.
Sandwich.
This is fried chicken. Fried chicken is crispy. I like fried chicken. Chicken.
Fried chicken.
This is a soft drink. It is cold and sweet. I drink a soft drink.
Soft drink.
This is ice cream. Ice cream is cold. Ice cream is sweet.
Ice cream.
If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.